It's a Betway Premiership, Orlando Pirates 2, Orbit College 0. I'm joined by China.
It's not about today's game. Today's game was the last game of the season. Today's game has been prepared before.
Correct.
I will always say this, that what happened today was something that some of us were expected. Trust me, I watched 100% of Orlando Pirates home games. I've watched more than 80% of their games. It has been clear that Orlando Pirates will win the league. It's just that there were some technicalities, if ever we'll put it like that, that almost coach Ulewa Pais.
Yeah.
However, it was clear for Orlando Pirates that it will win the league. Look, the Sundowns dropped as a team, as a whole. It is Sundowns that dropped. It is Sundowns that gave Orlando Pirates a spirit. That's why I will always say this. It is not the coach who won the league. It is the Orlando Pirates players that won the league.
Correct.
The reason why I'm saying that, the coach still he still struggles to break the low block. Look at the Orbit College today.
Correct.
Orbit College was playing a low block. Today, Wadu didn't score the goals. Orbit were punished by their mistakes. Orbit scored 2 own goals.
Any complaint with the on goals?
There's no complaint. You can only get an on goal when you are pressing.
Correct.
And then on goals comes from errors from the defense. So today's game, the Orbit lost it errors wayo, meaning that Uwadu himself as an individual failed to break that deadlock. That backlog. That's the So Kuma low block Uwadu is still not the best.
And there has been something continuing, because even on the last game against the Ben City, the same thing. Does Wadu doesn't have a strategy to break the low block?
Exactly. That's why we always say that Uwadu didn't have a plan B from the beginning of the season until today. There's no plan B with him. That's why we're saying that I'm very worried about him, because of this group of players that won him the league. If ever these players will go somewhere after the World Cup, the likes of Rile, the likes of Moremi, the likes of Police. I believe, and I can still say that, Uwadu cannot win the league with other players. Uwadu won the league with that front three. That's why Simbonile, even my changes were not that good. Pirates didn't display that good football that we know about Orlando Pirates. Pirates didn't give us what we know about them. So, however, if Pirates won the league because of these players themselves, they were hungry for the league. It is always good to make sure that you build a relationship within the players, so that even if ever when you're off the bench, those players can be able to perform. Correct. This is the friendship that was built by Urivero within these players. So the players that he brought to the team were able to adjust. The likes of Sibilibili, the likes of the players he added, the likes of Mbule. Those are the players that were added by Uwadu. So those players were managed to adjust within the team that is already had a structure. Trust me, Brawam, it was going to be very sad if ever Sobona Orlando Pirates in a winning league. The reason why I'm going to be because of it has been built. This team has been built the last 5 years. Cool 9 or to 10 season, the Orlando Pirates managed to win 6 cups.
Correct.
Of which you can tell that this team had a vision. So a team that had a foundation, it is Orlando Pirates. That's why today we are celebrating. That's why today we are able to talk good about them, because we know that this team had a structure. So when it comes to comparing with Mamelodi Sundowns, in Mamelodi Sundowns it was an end of era of certain players. The likes of Abomshishi, Kupeli, that generation is gone. Abomor Mukwena, Mukwena, Tebucho Mukwena, Williams, So we've been seeing Williams this season with a lot of mistakes. We've been seeing Williams this season and consider a lot of goals. Look, Rawam, I will always tell you this, Kupela era Mamelodi Sundowns. Prime Amanyama players, and then on the other side of Orlando Pirates, we are starting a new era. We are starting a new prime of Rile, Police, Moremi. This is a group of boys as coming from the DDC. Another good thing about what Pirates did this year was not only Uguti China Sizoti. No, man, look, this is the end of Mamelodi Sundowns, the 30 league. But the Pirates won this league with local players.
Can I ask something? Did the era of Mamelodi Sundowns come to an end, or they were sick, as Dr. Kumalos refers them as it is?
Brawami era, I'm a players, you can't beat me with the same trick each and every year. And another thing that happened this year, Ulomvana, Ukatoso, Mamelodi Sundowns, tried to change the football of Sundowns. But Magai change the football of Sundowns. We change to a football that will make Sundowns to compete more in the African continent. Kumbo CAF. That's why I would say that Sundowns tomorrow will win CAF. But today, Orlando Pirates won the league. However, so what I'm trying to say is that Uwadu understood the local football because of he was playing with the local players. And then Ukatoso Epitori understand international football because of he's playing with international players. That's why Mamelodi Sundowns will win the CAF. But that's why Mamelodi Sundowns will fail with CAF because of he doesn't understand the South African football. Uwadu has the players that understand South African football.
But man of the match for today's encounter, who will you give to?
The man of the match today, for me, I wouldn't say that there was a specific player that performed. But however, the contribution, Sibonile ku Police, Sibonile Uspilibili. But however, I will choose Usiema today. Usiema, the guy deserves a call with national team. The guy deserves a call with national team. So, congratulations to Ababiziwe, even to the national team. But Usiema, I still say that Usiema deserves a call with national team. To me, he will always be the man of the match in most games because of he's the one who makes sure that defense is solid. So, Pirates won the game from that defense.
Thanks a lot, Chena.
Congratulations, Mapagani.